How to use Journal app on iPhone. Open the Journal app on your iPhone to view the timeline of your entries. On the main screen, tap on the plus icon to start a new journal entry. Give your journal a new name and then choose a color for the journal icon. You can also choose a different icon from the options. Once you're done, tap on the tick icon at the top right corner. Now, go back and open a journal entry from here. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on the plus icon. Add in a title for the journal entry. Tap on the text area and type your thoughts, reflections, or plans. To add media, tap on the photos icon and select photos or videos from your library. After selection, tap on the tick icon. You can keep writing and attach more content to capture the full moment. You can also add in audio if you want. When finished, tap on Done to save your entry to the timeline. To edit an entry, tap on it, update the text or attachments, and tap on Done again. To delete an entry, hold it and swipe left and then tap on the delete icon. Following these steps, you can easily use Journal app on iPhone.